All right, welcome back, guys. We are once again here with the Python Learn With Me series, where we are going over the Python Crash Course book. We are still in chapter 5. We're now on example 6. So this one, we are finally moving on from these alien colors. So I'm going to make a new file, and we're going to comment out our name and date as per usual. Now we're gonna call this stages of life. So, as you might have guessed, that is what this example is about. So, what this example wants us to do is write an if else chain that determines a person's stage of life. It wants us to set a value for the variable age, and then if the person is less than 2 years old, print a message that the person is a baby. If the person is at least 2 years old but less than 4, print a message that the person is a toddler, so on and so forth until we get to 65 and older. So I'm just gonna write out all of these just because it's gonna be a little bit tedious, and then I will be right back. All right, so I am back from writing out everything that it wanted me to do. So it was just a little bit tedious to write pretty much the exact same thing over and over. So I decided to set the value of the age at 30. So what that means is it should be printing out this output right here. So once again, it's gonna start here at the top. If the age is less than 2, it'll print out this is a baby. And because it is 30, it'll move on to the next statement. If the person is under age 4, this person is a toddler. So this will automatically know that we're going to be asking for this one, even though if you had 3, technically both of these, well, everything from here on would be true. It's going to stop at this first one. So we're not checking for what the number of the age is. We're just checking what age range they're in. So if they're less than 4, but they're not less than 2, it'll move on to here. If they're less than 13, but not less than 4, it'll move on to over here, so on and so forth. So the example that this output should give us is this one. So let's test it. When we run this code, this person is an adult. So it just basically is asking us to write a multiple elif code. And so this is what I have come up with. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like, share it, and if you want, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one where we'll be going over example 7.